here's how to live stream on TikTok from your PC. Open your browser and search for TikTok Live Studio. Open the official download page, click Download, then open the downloaded file and install the application. Launch TikTok Live Studio and sign in to your TikTok account. To set up your stream, click the plus icon next to Sources and choose what you want to broadcast. Select Display Capture to stream your entire screen or Window Capture to stream a specific application or game. If you're streaming a game, make sure it's running before selecting it from the list, then click Add Source. To add a webcam, click the plus icon again, choose Camera, select your webcam, adjust the settings, and add it to your scene. For the best TikTok experience, switch your layout to Portrait. If needed, resize or reposition your screen capture so it fits the preview correctly. When everything is ready, click Go Live. If your account is eligible, your live stream will begin. If not, TikTok will prompt you to apply for live access before you can start streaming. That's all for this video. Thanks.